What's up, alphas? So I have a quick question that I received on my YouTube channel during one of our live premiere feeds. Now, if you guys watch my videos frequently, you might have noticed that when we go and post a new video, there is a live chat. That's not because we're live. It's because I give you guys a really cool opportunity to chat amongst yourselves when that video premieres, if I'm not available to hang out and talk. So that's what that chat is. Like right now, I'm not actually live, but you guys are probably chattering in the live premiere if you're watching it live. Now, there was a question directed towards me in our live premiere for our video that posted today, which if you're watching this video now, it was probably a couple days ago, but I want to acknowledge it because I thought it was a really great question and I don't want it to go unnoticed. So that question was, does focusing on one niche help in SEO? Like if I sell only one type of product versus a bunch of various other products. So when it comes to search placement and focusing on niching down, there is no black and white. There's no Etsy grand rule that says shops have to be within one niche in order to rank. That's not how it works. But what we can kind of gather through our own observations is that Etsy will see you as more of an authority if they see the same things selling over and over again in your shop. Now, for example, in my own shop, I sell skeleton key necklaces. Skeleton key necklaces are what I'm all about. Every listing in my shop is a skeleton key necklace. My tagline for my shop is that I have skeleton key necklaces. Sections in my shop say that I have skeleton key necklaces. All of my products are skeleton key necklaces. Therefore, skeleton key necklaces are in my tags and titles. And if you search skeleton key necklace on Etsy, odds are, unless you have some crazy obscure user history from, personalized experiences based on, machine learning and Etsy's algorithm. Basically, if you search skeleton key necklace on Etsy, you would probably find one of my listings because Etsy knows that I sell a lot of skeleton key necklaces and I get a lot of good reviews for skeleton key necklaces. Therefore, I get ranked for skeleton key necklace. How many times can I say skeleton key necklace in a single video? Now, at the same time, this does not mean that you cannot have variations in your products. It doesn't mean that you won't be successful for having different types of products. However, you can be seen as the authority in a niche for specializing in a certain type of product. Typically, if I go to an Etsy shop and we'll say that I am shopping for a designer handbag and I want someone who is an expert at creating designer handbags. If I go into their shop and I see that they've got handbags, but they also have wall art and coffee mugs and we'll say dog toys and I don't know, dressers. Basically, they just have this menagerie of items that don't necessarily tie to something specific. I automatically think to myself, this is not a person who's an expert at making handbags. They just happen to have handbags because they sell a lot of other things. And what I want is someone who specializes in handbags. They are the authority of handbags. Now, if you were to type handbags on Etsy and you were to see the shops that come up and you click on those shops, what you're going to see are a lot of shops that only sell handbags and who specialize in handbags. This leads us to believe that yes, Etsy favors shops who specialize in certain things, whether that be because Etsy actually favors them or whether those shops just tend to make the most sales and tend to have higher listing quality scores and higher marketplace and customer experience scores. This is how Etsy gauges where those shops are going to fall in search placement. So if more shoppers are going to the store that specializes in handbags and Etsy sees that more people are buying from this store that specializes in handbags, it's the handbags from that store that Etsy is going to put higher in search because they know that people are already buying those products and people already enjoy this particular shop. Now, another example that I like to use, because I know that we get these questions where someone says, oh, should I make a second shop? Or I sell this and this, do I need to create a second shop? Here's the thing. If you have a cohesive element that brings everything together, it's the cohesive element that is the thing that you can rank for. So, for example, this is my favorite one because I have a Chihuahua, but if you have a shop that sells Chihuahua mugs and t-shirts with Chihuahuas and matching t-shirts for dogs with Chihuahuas on them, and handbags that have Chihuahuas, and mirror compacts for purses that have Chihuahuas, and posters that are Chihuahuas. Yes, you've got a lot of different products going on, but the cohesive element is Chihuahuas. Another example is if you make really cool vintage rustic home decor, but you've got candle holders and wall art and pillows. These are all different things, but the cohesive element might be farmhouse decor, because that is the niche that all of these products exist within. You just have to decide for yourself. Is there a thing that ties it all together? Is there a theme? Is there a demographic of people? Can I create a shop that's just for new moms, where I've got products for baby and products for mom and wall art and pillows that are all catered around new moms? What is the cohesive element that's going to bring it all together? And what common keywords can I use over and over again that I can be the authority for and really tell Etsy, this is my keyword. This is the thing that I'm all about, similar to how I am all about skeleton key necklaces. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And if you're interested in having me coach you personally, my own Handmade Alpha Academy is about to open. It will be opening on Sunday. HAA is my 9-module course that will teach you how to be successful on Etsy. From A to Z, I haven't left a single thing out of the process. So if it sounds like something that you're interested in, be sure to opt in to the email waiting list down below. Opting into that will not obligate you to buy. However, what it will do is ensure that you get a notification right when the doors open, because enrollment is only 10 days. Plus, it's going to get you a $1,000 discount for being a part of our community. And you're also going to get 12 months of eRank Pro included with your membership, so you can make sure that you're doing all that you can to optimize your Etsy shop for success. You can learn a little bit more about Handmade Alpha Academy and what's included in the link down below. But guys, I hope that you're all staying safe. I hope that you're having a fantastic weekend, and I hope that this information has helped you a ton. I will see you hopefully in the next few days as we open HAA, and I hope that I can create some more awesome content for you related to Etsy search and Etsy success. Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.